If you're looking for a good way to get long on Bitcoin, check out the digital miner Canaan. During Thanksgiving of 2019, a Chinese technology company went public on the Nasdaq to little fanfare. Hangzhou-based Canaan Inc. promptly lost half its value, selling off 50% from the $9 per share IPO this week. And despite the sell-off, managers think it is a great way to get long on Bitcoin by buying a U.S. publicly listed company. Canaan will let us know if this is true. Shares traded lower after the IPO, but continue to be pegged to Bitcoin during recent impeachment volatility. And managers think tracking Bitcoin in a public company is a really good idea if Bitcoin does what it has done since 2015. The perceived advantage is that portfolio managers don't need to open a digital wallet or create a new protocol with compliance. They can buy a Bitcoin proxy on Nasdaq using their current trading tools. Canaan will certainly track with Bitcoin in 2020, but no one can predict what Bitcoin will do or how closely Canaan follows it, so it is still inherently risky. Shares in Canaan trade into the low $4, and many think buying Canaan is like buying a slow-moving utility stock related to Bitcoin, considering that it's all about electricity. Canaan mines Bitcoin, and if you don't know what that means, you are not alone. Digital mining can be explained pretty simply. It's a function done on a high-speed computer where the Bitcoin transaction is confirmed and added to the blockchain. Mining is basically using processing power to confirm any and all transactions done in Bitcoin, and the miners get portions of a coin, hence they get paid to do it. The downside is it takes roughly 350 megawatts to mine a Bitcoin, which is the same amount to power 280,000 US homes for a day, which is the size of Fort Worth, Texas. Electricity is the key part of the equation, as is the speed of the computer, which is the size of a shoebox and fits on a rack with many other miners. Electricity prices follow Moore's law like semiconductors, and new miner technology hits the market every year and a half. So it's a tricky business for sure. You need to be cheap, fast, and smart. Canaan does research, design, and sales of crypto mining products and related components primarily in the People's Republic of China. Mining is becoming more diversified and will be forced to get greener, but as we vault into 2020, Bitcoin mining is a real business with public companies like Canaan executing the business model. We see others right here in Texas looking to get into the business and claim market share from the Chinese. And we look forward to watching the duel play out in the mining playing field. This has been Teal Clausen for Market News First. Be truly informed.